Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will be sharing with you guys how I take down my butterfly locks. Now I did get these locks done by Leek Loves Braids. I'll put her Instagram on the screen. This was my first time getting my hair done by someone else in a protective style. She did a very good job. These are still fresh. They're still kind of almost still a little bit tight, even if I were to like put my hair in a top knot or anything like that. So I definitely recommend, if you're in the area, to check her out. It was very affordable, and yeah, like I said, this hairstyle, I love it. I've only had it in for a month, but I am taking it out because I just been, you know, the vibes, and it's like when a woman cut her hair, she just need weight lifted off her shoulders. So that's where I'm at. So I want to go ahead and take these out because this is heavy and it's been like over 100 degrees lately, and it's hot to have this in my hair. Also, when you work out, it's a little bit heavy. So anyway, we gonna get straight into it. I'm gonna show you guys how I take this. I already took one out, so we just gonna start from the front so y'all can see. So there's this like where she wrapped it at the root. My hair is just braided up underneath, and so all you want to do is slide this hair, keep sliding it down until you see your braid. And my braid is right here. So you just want to find your braid. So you're going to slide the top down, find your braid. There's my braid right there. Hopefully you guys can see that. And then I'm just simply pulling my hair right here out of the lock. And it just slides right on out so easily. And so now you have the lock and my braid, right? Can you guys see that? My braid, the lock. You don't want to cut anywhere near this. You want to cut over here where you pulled the hair, because this is where you crochet the weave under your braid. So if you cut over here, you are not coming close to your actual hair, which is so important, because when it comes to unraveling styles like these, a lot of times people accidentally cut their hair because it's so hard, especially when you have hair that's your same hair color. It's so hard to kind of figure out where your hair is. So again, keeping this separate. You also can even see the actual loop. This is a loop of fake hair that goes under the braid, and you want to just cut the fake hair, and then you literally just pull it out just like that. And then you have your lock, and you have your healthy braided hair. Wow, my hair is long. Okay, sis. And so that's how you take out your butterfly lock. I'm gonna keep doing that so you guys can see. Again, I'll do this one right here. I hope you guys can see. So this one right here, I'm taking where the hair is wrapped and just kind of rolling it down. Just rolling it down my hair until I find my braid. Then I find my braid and just start kind of lifting it up, and boom. So there's my braid, and then I am just pulling my braid out of the lock. Two separate pieces. This is the crochet hair, and we are just gonna cut that. I'm gonna cut the crochet hair and pull it from underneath. And here is your braid and your healthy hair right up under there. Easy peasy. So I'm gonna keep going. Literally took less than 10 minutes just to get the front part of my hair out. Like, the ends are nice, healthy, and moisturized. Very much a protective style, quite literally. A lot of times you guys ask how I get the back of my hair. Honestly, I've been doing my hair so long, like I can just kind of feel it, and so I don't really get that much help taking out my hair. But let me see if I can kind of show y'all how I just like feel the back of my hair. I feel it. Bring this down, feel for my braid. There's my braid right there. I hope this is in focus. But now I'm just pulling my braid out. I'm not really looking at anything. I don't have another mirror in. And then you can see right there that that's where we're cutting. And then you just pull the piece out, and then you just keep going. Just feel for it. Here's my braid. Pull the braid out. Cut the hair. Pull out the loop. Literally almost half my head is already taken out in less than 20 minutes. Ends are moisturized and healthy, no stragglies. I did trim my hair just a little bit before I got my hair done, so it's looking nice and healthy. Now we're gonna take the other half out off camera, and then we'll be back. All right guys, so I took the rest of my hair out. I did do my baby hairs because I'm about to go pick up a pizza for tonight before I tackle unbraiding and washing my hair. But literally it took me 30 minutes to take out my butterfly locks. I'm gonna show y'all what my hair looks like. It's nice and moisturized and still has sheen. The ends are nice and full. No damage or anything there. I mean, my hair looks super thin because I did have my hair blow dried before she tackled braiding my hair. And for the most part, she braided at least like 3/4 of the way down, just because you don't want your hair to get caught up inside the fake hair that's wrapped. So obviously, as she got kind of towards the middle, I'm sure she got tired because I did have a lot of hair, and so this one's only about this much braided down. But you want it you know, just braid it down far enough so where when you pull them out of the wrapped lock, that your hair doesn't get tangled with the wrapped hair. But I love that style. I definitely want to do a bob version of that next, and I might try to do it myself. So if you guys are interested in seeing me trying to do the butterfly bob locks, let me know in the comment section below. I hope you guys enjoyed me taking down my butterfly locks. I think I'm gonna keep these braids in until tomorrow and figure out what I'm gonna do from there. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're interested in this makeup look, make sure you click up here and check out that video. I love you guys so very much. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video and comment below what next you want to see. And never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you. Tiffle. Bye guys. It's Slim Reshae. Natural beauty.